Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen how to work with list and set, which are under the collection interface, and we have another interface like map is there where it is implementing in the HashMap class. Okay, even we will see that hierarchy also, which is not part of the collections interface part is like array list and hash set will be there. Those are part of the collections interface. But coming to the map is also playing a role for the collection, like it is also storing multiple sets of data. Okay, so coming to this one, how the architecture and everything is, coming to this part, you can see here map interface will be there. Okay, map interface. This map interface is implementing in the child class. Okay, this map interface implementing in the child class, which is a HashMap class. Okay, which is a HashMap class. Fine. So this HashMap class, directly what it is doing, it is implementing. So it is a interface. Map is a interface. Okay, and HashMap is a what, guys? HashMap is a class where we are implementing all the methods provided by the map interface. Now what is map and what it will store? It will, so far we have seen list and set and we are storing all the data and all. But we want to fetch some data. In list we need to use index, or iterator we can use. Set, we are completely relying on iterators. But if there is an option for me to get my data based on some key, then that is better, right? So map contains key value pairs, key and value pairs. Map contains what, guys? Key value pairs will be there in the map. You can store your data based on your key. Okay, you can store your data based on your key value pairs. Whatever the data you want, you can access by using key name. Okay, by using key name you can access the value. You want to iterate, yes, you can iterate the data also by using entry set. Entry set also you can iterate the data. So whenever you want to store some data and assign it to some key, you may get it out. So I can take a variable and I can store the data, right? But I want to store hundreds of data, for example. Do I need to declare 100 variables? That is not recommended approach in Java. We should not declare 100 variables in our class. Then what you can do, you can create one HashMap. You can, based on your key, you can store hundreds of data. Wherever you require, you can access that data. That is how we need to use the HashMap. Okay, so we should not declare hundreds of variables in our class and all. That is not at all recommended. If that is the requirement, then you can use HashMap. You can assign your data to your key. Based on that key, you can access wherever you require. That is the recommended approach. Okay. Now we are going to see how to store the data, how to declare the HashMap, and how to store the data. Okay, so that we are going to see now. Right, let me create a new class for the HashMap. Map example I am creating. Fine. So here also you need to declare what type of data you want to store. What is the key type? What is the value type? That you need to mention in the beginning itself only. Okay, you need to store what is the type of your data. For example, I am taking map of, okay, I want to store, both are strings, for example, both are string. Okay, key I want to store string and value also I want to string. If you want, you can give string or integer comma string. Based on your requirement, you can give it. So just I am taking m here, m equal to new map. Can I give here? No, map is interface. You cannot create an object to the interface. That is the reason this interface is implementing in the class HashMap class that I need to use. Okay, here also, yes, string comma string I am providing. Perfect. This is how you can declare the HashMap, guys. This is how you can declare the HashMap. What type of data you are going to store here? Both key and values are strings only. Now how to store the data? Just put method will be there. You can use this put method and you can give your data. For example, I'm giving our org name. Org name is just I am giving Chris-Soft. Okay, org name is Chris-Soft, for example. m.put website or website. Okay, our website I am adding as online testing help.com. This is also a string, right? Okay, perfect. My name I want to put, okay, tutor. I want to store what type of data here? My name I want to store Venkat Krishna. Perfect. Okay, my location I want to just put my location. My location, just I want to put here my location as I am in India. Okay, for example, these are all the data I have added into our map. I want to get some value. Okay, I want to get some value based on the key. How we can do that? I want to access the value by using key now. So I want to access the data by using key. How we can do that here is very simple. So my key is, for example, so m.get method will be there. m.get method, you can give here your key. For example, org name I want to give. Okay, I have given org name. I want to fetch the org name. So put is the method used for to put the data into the map. Get is the method we need to use for to get the data from the map. Okay, so please check it out here how it is working and all. See, key is Chris-Soft. You are getting the data as Chris-Soft because you have used the org name here. By using this org name, by using this key, you are trying to fetch this value. So like this way we can work with. But I want to fetch all the data from my map. Then very simple, you need to use the entry set to get all the data from the map. How we are going to get it and all, carefully understand. I am going to write one simple for loop, just like map.entry method will be there. Map.entry method. What type of entry it is? It both are string. Both are strings we have given for this. Perfect. And I am taking some variable here. Okay, I am taking some variable as any variable you can give. Okay, so I am giving data colon. What is our map variable we are having here? M is our map variable. M is our, I don't think this is also required for us here. Let me I don't think it is required. Data, what is our variable, guys? What is our map variable, guys? What is our map variable? We have given m, right? This is our map variable. Okay, m dot, you can give here m dot entry set. One more method will be there. Just you need to give this, that's it. Okay, this for loop you need to create. What is the problem here? Map dot entry suppress warnings. So okay, you have given data here, that's fine. So is it asking any parameters here or what? I don't think. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now here it is. Is it fine now? Okay, perfect. So you are adding the what type of data and all. It seems it is asking earlier. It doesn't allow us. I mean, we no need to add the string and string, but it is asking now. That's fine. So what we are doing, guys? So map.entry, and every time you are going to get key and value into this variable, data variable, data.get key, data.get value you need to use for each iteration and all. Okay, from whatever the data is there in m is here your map. Whatever the data is there in this entry set, complete data, every time it is going to get the one key and value. Okay, how we are going to get the data? See here, very simple. We are going to get the data. First, our key is first we want to get the key. So data dot get key method will be there. You are going to get the key here, and value is you need to get the value here. So data dot get value method will be there. Which value? Get value method will be there. Like this way, you are going to get the each iteration, guys. It is a for loop, right? Four sets of key value pairs are there. This loop is going to run 4 times. M dot key entry set will give you the total key value pairs. Every time with this syntax, you are going to get every time one key value pair that you are accessing by using this variable get key and get value. Like this way, you can fetch all the data from the map. You can see here. See all the data. This is key and this is value. Okay, this key is Christoph. We are printing by using this statement. Okay, leave about that and remaining all the data. See, tutor, my location, website, org name, all the data you are fetching. Okay, like this way you can work with the HashMap, guys. Finally, let me conclude. So HashMap, when we need to use, guys, whenever you want to maintain the data based on key value pairs, then you need to go with HashMap. Okay, map is the interface to implementation class is HashMap. We cannot create the object to the map, but we can create the reference variable and we can create the HashMap, and you need to provide what type of data it is and all. You need to provide that and add all your data, and wherever you have needed any particular data, you can access by using the key name, or you want to iterate all the data and you want to check it out, then you can use map.entry. Okay, map.entry you can use, and you can provide what type of data it is and all, and then your whatever the map variable is there, that variable dot entry set you can use. Okay, and how you can iterate, whatever the variable is there, that variable dot get key and get value. So each iteration this data is going to get different key and different value that we are getting. Okay, this is how we can work with the HashMap, how we can store and how we can fetch the data. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much.